In this risky economic environment, it's vital to find great companies with high cash flow to add to your portfolio. I recently bought 100 shares of this high-yield dividend that is currently over 10% to protect my portfolio from economic headwinds. Oaktree Specialty Lending Corporation, or ocsl, is a BDC, business development company, that seeks to generate income and capital appreciation by offering specialty financing for first and second lien loans, unsecured and mezzanine loans, and preferred equity. For more than 25 years, Oaktree has invested more than $20 billion in over 380 loans. Management emphasizes fundamental credit analysis and downside protection with each loan application. Its portfolio mainly consists of floating rate investments, which is great in a high interest rate environment because it means Oaktree's interest payments fluctuate with an underlying interest rate. 69% of its portfolio is first lien debt financing, which is great, and it is well diversified within different sectors, including application software, pharmaceuticals, biotech, healthcare, and retail. As of March 31st, 2022, Oaktree has a total of $2.6 billion in total investments with 146 portfolio companies. This means they are one of the larger BDCs in the market. OCSL is currently $6.60 with a $1.21 billion market cap. It has a PE ratio of 9.57 and a 52-week range of $6.20 to $7.81. Oaktree's dividend yield is 10.14% with a steady distribution increase for the last 8 consecutive quarters. OCSL has generated an annual 11% return on equity. Net assets have increased from $868 million in 2017 to $1.33 billion in 2022, as they have been expanding with AUM, or assets under management, from $114 billion in 2015 to $166 billion in 2021. Oaktree has claimed a global presence with 1,000 employees in 19 countries. Analysts currently rate this as a strong buy with an $8.14 average price target. Oaktree has been able to increase dividends since March of 2018. Before 2018, dividends were slowly decreasing, but management was able to turn around dividend distributions. Its current payout ratio is 80.8%, which is sustainable. For the share price from 2011 to 2016, we saw the stock price drop steadily. But after 2018, again, the stock price has been on a steady upward trajectory. The main reason I decided to buy 100 shares of ticker symbol OCSL was due to its increasing growth and dividend. I wanted exposure to a large BDC that was growing AUM at a solid rate, and management has a long track record of great performance. I believe with high interest rates, this company is poised to expand even further with its floating rate investments. Oaktree is currently a very small piece of my stock portfolio, but I will continue to DCA if the price goes down and the fundamental story is intact. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what your favorite high-yield dividend stock is. This is Supergirl Investor, here to save the world and make you wealthy. Please be financially safe and secure and happy and healthy. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.